Let's make tuna sandwich. The ingredients are lettuce, canned tuna, margarine, bread, mayonnaise. First, we need to open the canned tuna and drain the water. Next, we need to mix the mayonnaise and the canned tuna in a bowl. Next, we need to spread margarine on bread. Now, we need to put tuna on the bread. We then put lettuce on one side of the bread. Now, we need to put the bread together. Let's eat! We can also put it into the fridge.